super cheesy, super stretchy mashed potatoes, also known as Pommes Aligot. Pommes Aligot. Pommes Aligot. Should I go and Google?
Pommes Aligot.
Pommes Aligot. Let's make Pommes Aligot. We've seen cheese on potatoes, but this is a classic French dish that combines fondue and mashed potatoes. It sounds very atas, but it's so easy to make if you have the right ratios. These are potatoes that I've already peeled. It's about 5 cm in diameter. If you have bigger potatoes, just cut it up into about this size. This is the easiest way to mash your potatoes. If you don't have a ricer, go get a ricer. Just kidding. You can mash your potatoes in the pot first and then pass it through a fine mash sieve. Today we're gonna use this golden ratio for Pommes Aligot. 4 parts potatoes, 2 part fat, which is the melted butter and milk, and then 1 part cheese. This will give you the stretchiest and the creamiest Pommes Aligot. You won't need any other recipes once you know this golden ratio. This is where the magic happens. Just keep mixing until it's smooth and stretchy. The time it takes really depends on the cheese you're using and the heat of the potatoes. Today I'm using mozzarella cheese, specifically Anchor Extra Stretch. It's melting really nicely and so stretchy. The flavour of the cheese is not too overpowering and it gives the mash such a creamy texture. If you want that beautiful cheese pool, I highly recommend you use mozzarella. So easy to make, yet feels so luxurious and premium. I hope you give this recipe a try. Pommes Aligot. Pommes Aligot! Pommes Aligot!